What's up, guys? So we are here at the Hoover Dam.
Here, you take this water.
Okay. Okay. So here we are. Check that out. It's pretty cool. This is really cool. I don't know why it's cool, but it's just really cool to me. Honey, how are you enjoying your first time?
Yeah, I love it here.
Yeah. Henry, you enjoying? Oh, he's not enjoying himself. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This thing is huge, dude. That's what she said. Let's walk over here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Big old bridge. Lots of power lines here. Look at this sign. No trespassing. And if you look like that dude on the bottom, you're definitely not allowed here. You know what I mean? Say hi, baby.
Hi, come on, take a selfie.
Oh, time to take a selfie.
you can.
There's one thing they got a lot of here. It's a lot of stairs. Just, yeah. Oh my gosh. Cardio for the day.
Henry.
Henry, you enjoying it? Henry was about to talk, but decided not to. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Makes you realize how small you are, you know?
So right now, you are straddling both Nevada and Arizona because they're state lines.
Speaking to the camera.
I was talking to you, not to.
Oh.
I said, don't give me
Yeah,
the camera
sorry.
anymore.
So yeah, she was trying to point out to me that we are in, I guess, we're at the state line of Arizona and Nevada. She said California, but.
No, I said Nevada.
Oh, okay. For all the homies that skate. Damn!
You can't skate that.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
You can skate in that.
You would die.
I could drop in on that. I could definitely drop in on that.
No, you would die.
I would not die. Probably get hurt, but could definitely drop in on that. No, I'd probably die. She's right. Alright, so as we're walking with Henry, we get stopped by a lady, and she says we can't take the dog, take Henry. So she's like, it says on the sign right there. I was like, what sign? There's no sign. This stupid sign. So yeah, we gotta turn back. We can't get on the Hoover Dam because some mean lady said that we can't take Henry. Sorry, Henry. Sorry, dude. It sucks, Daddy. I know. Alright. Let's go back. I hate this place. I know. Alright. What? Alright, I gotta go now back up those bajillion stairs over there. I wish they would have put the sign up, you know, like up there, right?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Why? Why wouldn't they let a dog up there? I don't understand that.
Probably because he's gonna poop.
So, I clean up. Look at all these poop bags I got right here. Shoot. Man. Well, it's not quite our first time at the Hoover Dam, but
It's halfway.
it's halfway. So
We just saw it from a distance. We didn't get to walk on it.
yeah, we're gonna make it happen though. We're gonna come back probably on a better day because it's kind of cold. I mean, shoot, it is really nice
It's a
though.
perfect day.
I don't know.
What's wrong with you?
I
You
don't
think
know.
this is cold? There's people that are like in 13-degree weather right now, snowing. And you're like, ugh, it's so cold.
There's also like starving children in Africa, which
But I'm not
Which really
wasting
sucks.
my food right now.
sure. So I think we're just gonna keep going up towards that way.
We are?
Yeah.
We're just gonna keep walking?
No, we're gonna drive up there.
Oh.
And we're
Poor
gonna
Henry.
see, look at the scenery from up there.
Poor Henry, he didn't get to go.
All right, so we're just at a higher view now. And take this road. You guys see it? Goes all the way up. Pretty cool. Higher view. This place is great.
Hey, look at me.
Hi.
I'm out here on the rock.
You're dangerous. You're living dangerously. You're crazy. So over here they got this little store, I guess. Reminds me of one of those bungalows from like high school. Little tables, chairs, you know. Oh, I want to look through this thing right here. This looks cool.
This place is like a gigantic ashtray. There's just like cigarette butts everywhere.
Yeah. Honey, put this take video. Oh, you're videoing right now. Beautiful. Wolverine. Come on, I had to do that, right?
Cricket. Cricket.
Stupid. Okay. Bye.